pretty exciting here. It's like Christmas in March. Kind of a bunch of things came together at once. I had ordered this pressure washer, and I wound up having a problem, so they sent me another one, so that came today. This is I warranted my 82 CS34 because the oil pump stopped working, and it's not a part that they they carry, so they warranted the whole chainsaw. So I got another chainsaw, and we will try to fix the oil pump on the 82 CS34. So I'll do a piece on that. This is a little inflator. I just wanted to try it out because I've heard they're pretty cool, and I'll put that in the wife's car. And then this is a snow blower, a 2-stage 80-volt snow blower, and I guess it doesn't work. So we're gonna see if we can fix that too. You put the batteries in, nothing happens. But I'm real excited to give all this stuff a try. And I just wanted to share this piece. I mentioned this in one of my videos. This is the cover plate for the, it's actually for the 60-volt 20-inch chainsaw. But I ordered it because I'm going to put it on the 82 CS34 because it has this metal piece, and the plastic over the last couple of years that I've had it, I mean, I'm just shy of 2 years, which is why I was able to get the warranty. But the plastic started wearing down a little bit. So I saw that the 60-volt saw had this, so I ordered the part. So if anyone wants to get this for their 82 CS34, the part number is right here. R0205411-00. So that'll be a nice little addition, keep it running smooth. But just wanted to share my Christmas time with you guys in March, and there'll be some stuff to follow on each of these.